Rechargeable milk frother, battery-operated 2-speed portable travel frother, electric milk foamer, coffee frother for latte, cappuccino, hot chocolate drink mixer with double mini whisks and USB cable. High speed and get cream fast. Our powerful portable milk frother handheld can make foamed milk and create froth in 15 seconds or less. This rechargeable milk foamer is ideal for coffee, latte, cappuccino, matcha, hot chocolate. The drink mixer also works well with both hot and cold drinks or protein shakes.The ergonomically designed handle gives you more soft touch. Rechargeable for home and travel. Unlike other battery-operated frother, our new version USB rechargeable milk frother built-in with lithium batteries, no need to replace batteries frequently. It designed with a storage tube to keep the whisks clean. Putting the mini frother into your handbag or suitcase takes up no space. It is a magnificent gift for your friends. Get this drink mixer for your personal party and camping. Our milk frother will let you have a fantastic and fabulous experience. 2-speed and food-grade material. Our durable handheld mixer is made of sturdy food-approved 304 stainless steel and environmental ABS plastic for extended service life. Never rust, never break. Low noise, high efficiency. It that has 2 speeds with smart one-touch button operation. Simple to use and easy to clean. The one-press button on the top is easy to use. Heat the milk and immerse the whisk into a cup. You will lather more froth and foam with this milk frother. Do not worry about the cleaning. Put the whisk into dishwasher or just simple rinse the frother with clean water. Enjoy your life with our frother. If you enjoy the frothering milk, we believe you'll love our rechargeable electric stirrer. You will get 1 rechargeable milk frother, 1 USB charger, 2 whisks, 1 manual, 1 12-month service card. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.